Today we are removing the front speaker from the Toyota Prius. We're going to start with our Phillips screwdriver. Locate the screw at the bottom of the handhold along the top of the armrest. With this screw removed, you can remove this insert from the armrest. With your pry bar, start at the front leading edge of the control panel, prying up, releasing clips. These clips release with pry pressure. Pry at the back of this panel to lift the back edge up. This will allow you to pull this panel slightly up out of the armrest, turn it over and access the connectors here at the back. These connectors all have triggers towards the center of them that you squeeze down into the connector. This will release the lock and allow you to release these connectors. Remove this panel and set it to the side. With our small flathead screwdriver, we're going to go to the door lock, door handle area and pry the small panel that's in the cavity here to release and remove. This will access one Phillips screw in this area. With our pry bar, we're going to move back to the small panel at the top of the door panel with the tweeter in it, pry the top edge and work down this panel, releasing the clips. There is a connector here that needs to be released as well to remove this panel and set it to the side. Check the area where this panel was removed. There are two clips that usually remain on the door itself, a plastic one at the bottom here that can be pried and removed and placed back onto the panel, along with one at the top of the opening that needs to be usually pulled with a pair of pliers and placed back onto the panel as well. With your pry bar, start along the bottom back edge of the door panel, prying the door panel, releasing clips with pry pressure. Work your way across the bottom, up the back edge, and up the front edge, releasing these clips. This will allow you to pull the bottom edge of the door panel slightly away from the door, lift it up out of the window jamb to release the top edge, and slightly pull this panel back from the top. We're going to reach down back behind this panel and release the connector at the courtesy light. This will allow you to remove the panel and check the door for any remaining clips and remove them and replace them. This is a 6.5-inch speaker. Replacement is going to require a riser ring or a special kit to mount the 6.5-inch speaker in. These are riveted into the door, so you will have to drill them out. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.